Welcome to this tutorial, and this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use I'm going to be showing you how to do drop down, how to make a drop down, w3 drop down classes, and you are going to be learning first of all the drop down click, w3 drop down click. Now I've written my code and I'll take my time to explain the code to you. This is a div element, and in that div element you can see some elements which I just highlighted. This is a button, and this is a button, this is a button, w3 button, and I named the button drop down. Now the button is named drop down, as you can see, and this is another div whose class is w3 drop down content, and I give it a class w3 bar block so that the display of the items in the drop down can be in a block form, that they will not be in an inline form, because they are buttons and they are grouped together. And the w3 card for, as you know, is used to make shadow and to make card like paper like elements. And these are links, these are my links, link 1, link 2, link 3, and they are linked with hash. The w3 bar item, as you know, will be items that are in a bar. As you know that this is just like a bar, and this is just more like a bar, and it is used to group them under this div, so that this div can know so that we can know that, so that these codes can be so that it can be known that this is for these items are under this bar. And the w3 button class is to make buttons, as you know. So I'll just explain this line. Now here you see something like on click my function, on click equals my function. You should know how yourself about this here, because this is just JavaScript, and without JavaScript our click function will not work. So it's better that we put this click function so that in our JavaScript we will later refer to it. So you don't need to understand this JavaScript code here, just copy it and write the same thing and you have the same result. So let's go back to let's go to our page and view it and see how it works. So if I reload this page now and I click it, can you see on click it does what? Can you see on click, you click it again it disappears, you click it again it shows. Now let's do over, how to use over. First of all, let me delete all this script because it's useless when you want to do over. On over, let's change this click to over w3 drop down over, and you should delete these two because it's useless, and these two should be deleted because it is useless. And now you can save this up. As you can see, this w3 drop down, you can color this drop down. You can see w3 black, the w3 drop down over. You can see this w3 drop down over button and the content of the button. And let's save this up and preview it in our browser. Let's load this page. Can you see? As I hover on it, it displays. As I hover on it, it displays. As I hover on it, it displays. So this is simply how to use the w3 drop down in w3 drop down classes to make drop downs. And in case if you don't understand, I advise you to rewind this video and backward it and pause that page where I do the w3 drop down click and just try to view the code again. And if you still don't understand, just contact me and we get to explain more things. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.